How's it going, everybody? My name is Dennis and I bought a BMW M5 and I'm fixing it up. And a little bit of an introduction. I bought this car, very low miles I guess, and it came home. I didn't know it was a competition package. I found out later, got me excited, blah blah blah. So now I am slowly fixing it up and draining the oil. Basically what I did to this car so far, I took off the front bumper, drained the oil, bought new oil, gonna replace the oil, refill it, change the oil filter. There was very little oil actually when I drained it because it did leak out through the front oil cooler, so I did buy that. I'm also going to change that, but it does have a catless exhaust and it's gonna be pretty insane. I hope it starts. I hope everything's gonna go good, so stay tuned and yeah, bam. Wish me luck. What I like to do is get Ziploc bags and put all the bolts where they go in one place. So for example, I would write like bumper, bam. Then all the bolts that go for the bumper, I would just toss them in here. I already have one for the under the hood. In fact, let's finish taking off all the plastics for under the hood and start on the bumper. Now I can start removing the bumper. I'll just have these loose and we'll go. I have to take the wheels off, don't I? Let me take the wheels off first. Ooh, look at that baby. Look at that baby. So front wheel looks good. Ooh. Doesn't she look beautiful? Yes, yes she does. So, took off the front wheels. I took the fender liners off because I have to get to the bumper on the sides to unscrew it, and I did that, so time to start pulling the bumper off. So this right here is all that's left from the front shield. As you can tell, it was just destroyed. Looks like he went over some serious curb. And here's the wheel, 20-inch wheel, huge. Bam, bam. You know, I was always worried, like, how hard would it be to take off an M5 bumper or any BMW bumper. I had an old E39. That was actually more difficult than this bumper. This was actually very, very easy. Surprisingly, I didn't break anything. This bumper does have to be repainted because of a small chip right there, and underneath it is very scraped. But other than that, this was super easy and really pleasant to work with. I'm really excited. Should be fun. Alright guys, so we pulled into Napa to get some liquid moly. For those of you that don't know, it's like really good oil for BMWs, so we'll grab that and then we'll go and change the oil. It'll be a step closer to getting this baby started. Alright, good morning everybody. Right now we're gonna start to drain the oil and replace the front oil cooler, and also fill back up new oil. Fill back up new oil. Who says that? Whatever. Good morning, everybody. So yesterday I went and picked up oil to refill the M5. So what we're gonna do right now is drain the oil and then fill it up with liquid moly. I got 2 of these, and I also picked up an oil filter, which looks like this, and it comes with all of these pieces, all the rubber seals and rings and whatever. So let's go drain the oil. Whew. No. That is dark. That is dark. So I mean, I think it's pretty dark, so just in time for an oil change, I guess. But let's have it drain first and we'll see. It's the oil cooler, so I bought it off eBay for like 270 bucks, which is considered a good deal. They usually sell for like 500, maybe more. So right now I am opening it up, and we'll see what happens. So after like 30 minutes of unpacking, finally got it out. I mean, I don't know if you can see. There it is. Yep. So it is original. I mean, it does have like a couple dings here and there, and like some bends, but I mean, I think it should be fine. So let's hope for the best. Yeah. Alright guys, this looks like a really big mess, but change the oil filter, drain the oil, change the oil cooler. Here's the old one, and we're about to fill it up with some oil. So we needed an M3. Try to start it. Nothing. Nothing. We tried. We tried it all. Jump box, battery bypass. Another jump box. We drained both of them actually. Jumper cables from an M3 to an M5. That didn't work. So my guess is that we're gonna have to charge it for probably like a whole day. Because it didn't even want to turn. I mean, all the electronics turned on and everything, but yeah, I've been playing around all day with the car. Wish me luck, guys. Please. Thank you.